Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Bacon Profits back at it again, and right now we're on the KOT MetaTrader 4, and we're about to try to cap some pips on a Good Friday. You feel me? So the purpose of this video, I want to show you all how I set up my MetaTrader charts and pretty much how I treat the opening of the New York market on a Friday. Okay, so some things to note. I do have a full-time job, so I primarily trade off my phone, but it's always, a blessing when I can trade off my computer. So as we all know, the goal is to make it as a trader so that we can leave our full-time job. I set a price to where it would take for me to do that, like as far as like savings go. Right now it's somewhere between 100,000 and 300,000 saved up, no debt. So that's what it's gonna take for me to leave my full-time job, because I do have a good full-time job, but we cannot, even then I cannot overlook the power of trading, so I still trade. So all right, with that being said, done, I have my MetaTrader 4 pulled up. Good old MetaTrader 4. Right now I have USD. You can clean up some of the clutter in the background, like the grids and everything. What I usually do, the most important thing is to have it on candlestick. Make sure that you have your ask line on, and make sure that a lot of people, from a psychological standpoint, I'd rather you don't put red candles on, because red candles, it does something to your psychology. So either turn them white or keep everything either solid, solid green, or like black, just don't turn your candlesticks red. That's a little trick I learned, and it's helped me since, because red just makes you want to panic. You can probably take the grid lines off. Let's see how that looks. Some people trade like this. That way, it's pure price action. So, I don't really care. I kind of like the grid, but I don't know. It does kind of get crowded. So let me take the grid off. It's pure price action right here, so I kind of like that too. All right, so what I want to do next, I want to add an indicator. We got like 3 minutes before the market starts, right? So I'm currently in GU, silver USD, and gold USD, and I'm in drawdown. My drawdown's negative 250, and I started with a $100 account last week. Currently sitting at around a 1,500 balance, so no worries. No worries. So I'm gonna get through setting up this chart, and then we can go look at the move I'm expecting. Right? All right. So what I want to do now, I want to add an indicator. Right? The only indicator I really need is a scope. Is either RSI or a scope and a moving average, right? So I don't use MACD like that. Stochastic, we'll throw that on there, and I can make it all pretty later, but right now that'll suffice, right? That'll suffice. So that's one confluence. It's been overbought, and I'm on a 1 hour chart, right? So it's overbought. Keep that in mind. Let me find my moving average. Custom moving average. Let's see. Inputs. Don't know what that means. Comment about. Period. So let's. Don't want that. Oh, here we go. So we're gonna make this our 200. We're gonna keep it red. Simple moving average. Anyway, so this is suffice for now. As you can see, we're on our 15-minute chart. All right, so now that we have our chart, my bad, I'm gonna save this on my template. You can call it whatever you want. I'm using KOT. I used to use freaking Hugo, but I'm just trying out KOT. I've been liking it so far, you know, just trying different brokers. So here we are, started the market. I do want to add the indices because my plan is to, as I have my overall trades going, I want to scalp the indices. So let's bring that up. Make sure you got your dollar showing. Indices, I do bit 3. So you want the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you want the SPS, S&P 500, and of course you want that NASDAQ. Right? So let's see what the NASDAQ is doing. So I would get in, new order. Scalp. Remember, we're scalping. We are scalping. 0.01. Scalp that bad boy. But you gotta know that can come down. We expect that to come down. So know your price, right? And when it comes down, we'll deal with it. So we want a tight stop loss. Not really looking to gain much there. US30 is doing the same. So get in where you fit in. We're gonna zoom in a little bit better so y'all can see. Stop loss right now is gonna be, there's a lot of liquidity under here, so that's what they really want, right? That's what they truly want. Stay focused. All right, so let's see if I can get some breathing room. All right, we got our breathing room a little bit, so kind of want to treat it like that, y'all. You want to treat it like that. Let it do its thing. You feel me? Let it do its thing. So everything's cooking now. We're gonna go over to our trading view so I can provide you all with what I'm looking at. So as you can see, I always start with by looking at the dollar because I do trade dollar pairs. It's wicking off this 50 fee up level. Show y'all the daily. It don't take much. Quick scan. And as you can see, there's a potential that the dollar can go here and come back up, but it already touched. So I really expect it to come here to this level. I want to see it come to this level before proceeding down. So I expect today to be a green day. If not this coming Monday will be a green day. So that's looking at GU. So I'm bullish GU, right? Bullish GU, which means looking at the daily, I will have to be short. I'm sorry, I'm bullish the dollar, which means I will have to be short GU. GU has just retested this 200 MA on the daily, which could be I mean, if it breaks this structure, then I just gotta, you know, adjust fire. But there's strong resistance at the current level that it's set, if you see it. So and it's making a reversal structure here, so I'm actually looking for that to go down, right? So that's why I say that. What else? We're in gold. Let's look at gold on the daily. Y'all already see that. Come on, bullish candle. I'm sorry, bearish flag. all in your candlestick Bible. So silver is a little bit more complex, as you can see. But if you see this is a downward trend, little it could still classify as a bearish flag. I actually want to see it come back down to this level. I don't think this support will stand. I want to see it break that and at least come down to this tremendous strong support here. This support level right here is more reliable, and then it may potentially downward spiral as the dollar becomes bullish. I didn't even check the news for today, so I might want to check the news as we proceed here. But yeah, of course, let's check out NAS and US30. All right, now we're looking at NASDAQ. It's doing this thing right now. It was in this triangle, right? Broke the triangle. Now it's retesting the triangle, but ultimately I think it's gonna come down. So, yeah. As the dollar go up. Same for US30. I think it's gonna retest this level and proceed down till it kiss this 200 MA. So that pretty much wraps it up for this, guys. I'm gonna go back to our live trade so you guys can see some of this action, right? See how we doing. Looks like I got stopped out. I got stopped out of my US30. I told you guys I'm actually I'm gonna look at this on the daily. Let me show y'all the trick, right? It's US30 now. So on the daily, it's been bullish so far. So this is one of them things. Yesterday's high, I want to test that. Did it test yesterday's low? So let's put those parameters on. It wants to test that. So this is what we want to look out for, and it wants to test that. And so far, the New York session has already started, so it has already tested that high, right? That's what we're looking at now. So I'm about to get in a impromptu insert. I'm about to get in a impromptu. Let's see. Sale. My bad. Shout out to that boy Jeremy's. I witnessed his come up, man. You know what I mean? I witnessed his come up. I don't wish him nothing but success. But yeah, he motivated me to start. You know, when I started trading, I actually checked out some of his stuff. I learned a couple of things. Even if you don't agree with everything a trader do, you know, I learned a lot from him. In fact, when I'm showing you now, I actually learned from this daily thing. It always try to test this. So much liquidity sitting here, guys. So much, because like most of you guys will say, hey, that's support. Look at this support zone. Look at this support zone. US30 has to shoot back up and blah, 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 blah. But what I see, you also have to keep in mind, there's a M, a reversal structure there, right? So I put my, anything past this is, you know, anything past this range, it has succeeded, and you know, it's just gonna be out of $240, $200, right? So that's how we're looking at that. Let's go back to NASDAQ. We're looking at the daily. It had just tested that high, so it might break. It might break that high, right? Yesterday's high, yesterday's low. So you might want to get a close capturing on this to see the story that is really telling. Looking at the 4 hour, we set resistance. Let's zoom more. 1 hour, set resistance, overbought. Let's see what it do. So we're gonna move our stop loss for US30. Like I said, we're not here to get rich. We're just making little moves here and there. And when they do that, we'll just wait and get back in at another position. Like I said, want to be on the lookout. We don't want it to break that. If it do, then well, we'll have to adjust. So I like how this came out. They about to take all this, you know, a lot of orders about to open. People opening up, boom, boom, boom. You know, Friday. A lot of people don't trade Fridays because, you know, it's so unpredictable. But I love it. So, you know, fortune favors the bold. I'm going in for my sale. It's at my high today. Just testing the high today to see how much I want to risk. I'll risk put above that structure. See what we got. $50 ain't bad. So everybody's expecting this to blow up, right? Everybody, NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. But you guys got to understand how much liquidity is under this support. My goodness. You got to think like a market maker, man. Come on, bro. All that liquidity there. Ooh. You can see it. Like, if I would just love to smash that. Do a fake out trade. Take everybody. If I was a bank, this is what I do. Do a fake out. You know, fake everybody and god dang Patrick. Just make it come crashing down, man. Just make it come crashing down. So let's see. My NAS is rolling. My US30 is rolling. Let's take a look at the dollar, man. Because this is going to tell us everything we need to know. All right, the dollar's on its way back up. We're looking at the 4 hour. It's doing something wonky right now, but it's nonetheless on its way up. We got that W breaker formation. It's coming back to the 200 MA on, you know. So what that means, bearish dollar means, what I just say? Bullish dollar means bearish GU. Like I said, GU's at this support. We're looking at the 4 hour. We're looking at the daily. Yesterday, so it did break yesterday's high. So congrats. But did it test yesterday's low? No, it did not. So like I said, guys, this trade could easily go into next week. So we'll see. If it do, I leverage in a way to where it won't blow my account. You know what I mean? I'm not afraid of negative numbers because I trust my analysis. Like sometimes, you know, yeah, could my position have been better? Could my patience have been better? Absolutely, but you know, you gotta trade how you trade. Like I said, I do have a full-time job, so I have to get in where I fit in. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I break down the market. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to keep you guys on here all day, but I'll post my results at the end of the day, probably from my phone. I may end up closing some of these, or I may just hold it, see where it goes. Who knows? All right, but that's GU. Let's check out silver. As you can see, this is how much I'm risking on silver. You gotta be careful with silver. It'll bless you, or it'll curse you. It already broke yesterday's high, and it's, you know, I'm expecting to go down here though. So this is what I want. Boo boo. That's what I really want. That's what I really want. Give me one of those. Let's check out gold. But like I said, I don't have any resentment over taking profit. This is what I want for gold. Y'all see it. And I can wait. Like this would be, I could hold this trade and probably hit that. But like I said, I'm building a small account, so I don't know. I don't know really at this moment how I want to play it. I really don't. But yeah, man. I don't know why I got that sitting like that. Sitting sideways. So y'all might be. I wouldn't even let it. It's a safety net, right? I mean, my account I'll probably get margin call before I even get there, but you know, kind of a safety net. So let's check out US30. I heard US30 is doing US30 things. We got. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted, y'all. That is what we wanted. A little $13 won't hurt. I told y'all, man, let it come to you. Let that thing come to you. So now the question would be, I told you, bro, it was too much liquidity there. Too much. Just too much. You gotta think, bro. Bank gotta make money some kind of way. Look at that. Where we going with it, y'all? Where we going with it? Oh, we going with it. I'll tell you what we going with it. I'm sorry. Let's make this easy 100. Okay? That's all we want for today. I might take 50. Take 50, get back in on a retrace and hit them again. How about that? So we'll make our own little trailing stop loss, you feel me? That's about, y'all count the pips. I'm gonna bring it to y'all live though, close and direct. Look at that. So now we're on the 1 minute. What a lot of people call high frequency. So if you're like actively watching a trade, this is how I'll do it. This will tell you when a good time to get out is. You always want to leave at least one candlestick between, you know, the current candlestick and your stop loss. Reason being, it can do that. You gotta give it room to breathe. Give it room to breathe. It's only a minute. A lot can change in a minute, right? We need some kind of. We gotta see how this candle ends. The ending of that candle would tell us a lot. So yeah, I went ahead and closed that. Look for a re-entry. I may stay out of US30. I don't know yet. Let's see what the 5 minute looking like. All right, so on the 5 minute, they want to retest this. I have no problem with that. Retest that. 15 minute. They want to retest that. I have no problem with that. Retest that. Check it on all time frames. Oh man, that's engulfing. I don't care how you put it, man. I don't care how you put it. You might go back in for seconds. What y'all think? Get the money, baking profits. Get the money. Somebody said get the money. So guess what we gonna do? We gonna get the money. We can try to get a better position. New 15-minute calendar. We gonna get the money. See, look, man, they don't got all y'all folk money, man. They don't got all y'all folk money. Y'all don't let these folk come in here and take y'all money. And this is what I do with this. I just put it back above that last high, cause I doubt it goes back there. Dang, I should have caught it from the hit nod. I could have caught it from the top, y'all. I ain't even want to hit them folk like that. I ain't want to hit them folks like that. Let's see what Nas doing. Oh my God. Is that all stop loss? Oh, I'm tripping. What the hell? Oh. Well, y'all got me out here spazzing, but I thought I had did something wrong. I'm like, why is it looking like that? There it is. So now it's kind of, I don't know. I probably stay out of this. I don't really like the way it moves. Be real with you. That's a bullish flag. So tech stocks, you gotta be careful with tech stocks, man. Especially when you're trying to short them. Got to be careful, man. So I'll probably let NASDAQ be, cause let me see if y'all can see this. it's kind of wedging. But like I said, it's a $50 move, so who cares? It already broke. Yes, it already broke. Well, it's right there at yesterday's high. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. But alright, man, it's your boy Bacon Profits, man. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Was at 250 at the start of this video. We made some money. I closed the trade. I took the profits. We're currently at drawdown minus 80. But like I showed y'all, all trades seem to be going in my direction. So hopefully I'll close out everything by probably, I'm looking at around 1400. That's 2 o'clock for those of you that don't know. We're at 150 at this time. Everything seems to be going according to plan. No complaints. It's your boy Bacon Profits, man. Y'all get at me. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to learn more of my strategies and how I see the market and how I can predict it, it's all about psychology and anticipating the next move. You feel me? So with that being said, man, it's your boy Bacon Profits, bro. I'm out. Y'all be easy. What's good, guys? It's your boy. I'm back. Bacon Profits. Hey, so I just wanted to log back on and kind of show you guys like where we started and where we're at. You remember I last logged off, we were still like minus one drawdown of 150. But as you can see, every trade I called is pretty much playing out. So like I said before I logged off, it was going in our direction. Check out Nas. So I told you guys, a lot of people don't know how to trade that, man. I know how to. I started off with Nas before I was trading indexes. So I'm telling you, I got the sauce when it comes to that. Look at US30. I told y'all, I got the sauce when it comes to that. Look at this. This is where I took profit at earlier, right here. Now look at where it's at. I told you. I said what? I said you have to think like the market makers, and it was too much liquidity down here for them not to go get it. But yeah, I just wanted to come here, man, so I can drive that point home, man. Here's some of my trading history for today. I just took withdrew like 500 out of the account, man. I always remember to pay yourself, and it's still going down, but we're not gonna be greedy. We got what we wanted from the market. We still have active trades, and the trades that our long-term trades are, you know, panning out. So we just use the indexes for like snipes. You know what I mean? Quick snipes. Get $100 or more. Get out of there, man. Get it and get out. And we got it when we kept it moving. So yeah, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. Like I said, more coming soon. If you want to. I tend to publish my moves every week, so follow me on TradingView, Bacon Profit. I usually make it public for now, so tap in while you can. All right, man, get it.